Hyundai has discontinued the Elite i20 premium hatchback in the Indian market. The hatchback has also been removed from its official Indian website. The Elite i20 was the second generation model of the hatchback sold in the country. The second gen i20 was given the name Elite and was initially sold alongside the first gen model for a couple of months. However, now the second gen model and the Elite name have both been dropped to welcome the third generation model of the Hyundai i20 in the Indian market. The Elite i20 initially sold diesel and petrol engine options in the market, a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine and a 1.4-litre diesel motor. After BS6 emission norms came into effect, the premium hatchback was available in 3 trim options and was offered only with a single petrol engine option. The 1.2-litre petrol engine produced a maximum of 82 brake horsepower and a peak torque of 114 Nm, mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard. The BS6 model was not even offered with an optional CVT transmission as well. Although the powertrain options were limited, the premium hatchback certainly came packed with features despite its aging design. It was offered with projector headlamps with integrated LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, and diamond-cut alloy wheels, among others. On the inside, the hatchback featured a touchscreen infotainment display that supported Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a wireless smartphone charger, climate control, a multifunction steering wheel with mounted controls, a sunroof, a semi-digital instrument cluster, and more. However, the Elite i20 will now be replaced with the third-generation model of the i20. The updated premium hatchback features an all-new design that looks aggressive and sleek as compared to the previous gen model. In addition to the new design, the all-new i20 will be offered in a host of engine and transmission options as well. Hyundai will offer the new i20 with 3 engines, a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol, a 1-litre turbo petrol, and a 1.5-litre diesel, all taken from the venue. The engines are expected to come mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard, with an optional CVT offered on the 1.2-litre petrol and a torque converter unit on the 1.5-litre diesel. The 1-litre turbo petrol unit could be offered with both 6-speed IMT and the 7-speed DCT as well. Hyundai retailed the second gen between Rs 6.56 lakh to Rs 8.32 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. We expect Hyundai to retail the new Gen i20 slightly higher than its preceding model. It will continue to rival the Tata Altros, Honda Jazz, Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Toyota Glanza, and the Volkswagen Polo. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.